Welcome back to TechNova 12, where artificial intelligence meets future tech. Today's video might scare a few programmers because AI has officially entered the coding world, and it's not just helping anymore, it's replacing them. In 2025, AI coding tools have become so powerful that companies are now automating entire projects using AI. From writing full apps to debugging complex errors, these AIs are doing it faster, cheaper, and smarter. AI number 10 GitHub Copilot X in the upgraded version of GitHub Copilot now understands context, project goals, and coding style. It literally codes like a human, but never gets tired. Number 9 ChatGPT Code Interpreter GPT-5. This AI can understand your code, fix bugs, analyze datasets, and even run logic tests automatically. Developers now call it their AI coding assistant. Number 8 Replit Ghostwriter. Ghostwriter now writes entire websites in seconds. You describe what you want and boom, full working code, front end to back end. Number 7 TabNine Pro, futuristic AI code prediction tool. It learns your patterns and predicts your next lines of code faster than your fingers can type. Number 6 CodiumAI. This one reviews your code and generates automatic test cases. It ensures your program runs flawlessly before deployment. Number 5 Sourcegraph Cody. Cody acts like a senior developer who reads your entire codebase and explains everything in plain English. Perfect for debugging complex systems. Number 4 Amazon CodeWhisper. Amazon's AI coding system that integrates with AWS. Developers can build secure, optimized cloud apps automatically. Number 3 DeepCode by Snyk. This tool uses deep learning to detect vulnerabilities and security bugs. Basically, it's the cybersecurity expert every coder needs. Number 2 Ponicode AI turns your natural language into functional code instantly. No syntax errors, no wasting time, just results. Number 1 Devin, the first AI software engineer. Meet Devin, the first AI that can design, code, test, and deploy software independently. This is not the future. This is happening now. So tell me in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to TechNova AI 12 for more insane AI and future tech updates. This is your host, signing off where the future meets your screen.